So this is literally about an hour and a half after an L4/5 instrumented lumbar fusion.
Right.
So we stabilized it with screws
Yes.
and bone graft,
Okay.
that level, which was very severely degenerated.
Yes.
And here you are now. How do you feel? How's your posture, firstly?
Yeah, it feels. I think obviously there's a
Yeah,
you know, it's
the
going to take a
anaesthetic.
while to.
You look a lot straighter.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
when I show you this,
Yeah.
you'll see you're looking a lot straighter.
Yes.
And any pain going down your legs at all?
No.
And that pain that you had in the right leg before, how is that?
No, it's not there.
No pain?
No pain.
Okay. Any pins and needles, numbness?
No.
Fantastic. Can I see you have a walk? Yes. Yeah. Let's see you walking. Superb. I mean, that is incredible. 1.5 hours
Yeah.
after lumbar fusion surgery.
Yeah.
You know, that is quite incredible. And sideways, if you turn on your side. Perfect. So that's what you need to work on, getting that posture.
I think I need
back.
to because I've been in the same.
Yes, for
walking
such a long
badly,
time.
Such a long time.
Yeah. 1.5 hours. So can I see you standing again, upright? Good. And then this is the fusion where there was a degenerate scoliosis there, and we've stabilized that. And here you are, looking good.